Now, one of the key features of our online portal is the live questions that are available on the portal, which are time sensitive, that enables you to be able to run through the syllabus and, most importantly, work under that time pressure that you're going to be facing in the exam hall to ensure that you prepare adequately to pass the examination. And in this short video, I want to demonstrate to you how you can use this question portal on our website to enable you to prepare well for the examination and, most importantly, pass the exams. So you can access the question portal either on your mobile phone, on your laptop, on your iPad, on your tablet, or whatever it is. It is not available in the mobile application, so you need to visit the website on any device that you have. Now, as you visit the website, you log in, definitely, as you know already. Once you log in, you go to your courses, and then you're going to see view or read. Now, I'm going to zoom this out a little bit. Now, this is a demo account, so you're going to have a lot of courses coming here, but I'm going to just pick a few of them, then we go away. So let's say you're doing what? Financial management. Now, when you click on view or read, it opens to the course, and then you go to the course's content. Then you're able to scroll down. You can see we have the March 2023 Zoom sessions here. We have December 2022 Zoom session. We have April 2022 Zoom session. So all these are lecture videos available for you to be able to study, go ahead of the lectures, and then prepare well for the examination in that particular case. But that is not why we are here. If you see for your courses, you can see test and results. I hope you can see that test and results. I'm trying to zoom out a little bit. Test and results. So you click on the test. Now, immediately you click on the test, boom, the test is going to appear. Now, this is financial management. So we have about 48 questions currently, and that is going to take you about 1 hour, 27 minutes. 1 hour, 27 minutes. Now, you can see that the question 1 is here, and you can see the timer at the left top corner here already counting down. And the whole time is 1 hour, 27 minutes, 40 seconds for the 48 questions that we currently have as at the time of shooting this video. So you read a question and the timer is there. Now, if you're not able to work within the timer for this question, it means the question is going to go and you cannot come back to it. And the purpose of this is to enable you to be able to think faster, recall the principle that you have studied, and be able to answer the question. So whatever it is, it says a company has just paid ordinary share, So you just click, go to the next question. I hope you're seeing the interface, the way the interface is playing out. You click, you go to the next question. You click, go to the next question. So I'm going to run this up a little bit. You click, go to the next question. So you can see 47. Then we do the last one, 48. Once you finish, you see the button there, submit answers, submit questions. So once you click on submit, boom, the results comes. So you can see 48 questions. I attempted 47. I got 10 correct answers. Total marks is 17. And my percentage is 20.488% in that particular case. So your score comes, or your results come at the end of the day. So when you finish with a test like that, you can go check the answers. What you do is to just come back to your courses tab. Remember, we took the test on financial management. And so you see results here. So you click on the test to take the test. Then you come and click on results. Once you click on results, you can take this over and over again. So once we click on results, you can see this is the test I just took. So my results is this. Then you see the far right here, you see view. And when you click on the view, it will go through the questions, tell you the correct answer, and provide you with a solution to enable you to study. And so go to the next one. The correct answer, the solution is provided. 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 And that is the idea about this. And this is our live questions portal for all the subjects available to enable you to prepare well for the examination and, most importantly, become successful. And like I said, we created this to enable you to really prepare for the exams, work on your timing so you can go in there and pass the examination. If we take something like management accounting, the same thing. Currently, there are 14 questions. It's going to be other questions will be added, and it goes with the same way. You select your answers and go away. If I go to another subject, what else can we do? Financial reporting test. There are 25 questions now. As of the time I'm shooting this video, some are going to be added. You see the questions coming in. And it helps you to work with speed and accuracy so that you can recall things as fast as possible and prepare well for the examination. And that is the beauty and the key thing that you need to know about our online portal and how you can leverage on this great tool here to help you to assess yourself on what you have studied and also work on your timing as you go into the exam hall. Because remember, time is going to be your enemy in the exam hall. And one thing you need to do, as always, is to position yourself in such a way that time works in your favor and not against you. So what are you waiting for? Enroll in the full course and get access to all of our content, all of our lecture videos. In addition to that, get access to the live questions portal so you'll be able to prepare well for the examination and pass the examination. My goal, my objective, my prayer is that this will help you so you can prepare well for the examination and pass the examination. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video.